everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at the B6 A4, specifically the 1.8T, and seeing why this might be one of the best older Audis that you can buy.
Alright guys, so this is my B6 A4, and first glance on the little walk around, you'll see it's got S4 mirrors. Like I said, it might have a different intercooler. Looks a little bit big from stock, but not sure. I think the roof was painted black. I don't think that's a factory option. It's definitely lowered, probably on coilovers. Some VMR wheels. I think maybe these side skirts might be aftermarket. Black tail lights. Some sort of exhaust system. Nothing crazy, but this is really a great looking car for the price, and this is one of the reasons why I think the B6, specifically A4, is, you know, one of the best bargains you can get for an enthusiast car, especially if you pair it with, of course, the manual transmission. I would not recommend buying any of these cars with the automatic transmissions, as they tend to fail a lot, and at really early mileage too. I mean, I've seen them go out around the 100,000 mile mark, and it kind of just kills the car if you're looking for a good enthusiast car. Looking inside, you can see the interior is a little outdated, but it still feels sporty, and it's just comfy. It doesn't feel too old, but you still get that analog feeling. All right guys, so let's talk about another reason why this is such a good car for the money. The reliability on these cars, for being an Audi, of course, is pretty good. So I haven't needed to do anything with this car, of course, because I just bought it 2 days ago. But the previous owner did tell me that they did a top-end rebuild. It has a new timing chain, I think a water pump. All right, guys. So driving the A4, my thoughts on this car. This car is a 5-speed, which I don't have anything against 5 speeds. Nothing wrong with that. And the gears do feel pretty good. And the handling is, I mean, it's great. I love all-wheel drive cars. I always have. Obviously, you know, we have a lot of rear-wheel drive cars here on the channel, and those are great and all, but I just like the way the all-wheel drive handles better. Let me know what your guys' favorite drive configuration is, whether it's all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. But yeah, I'm definitely with the all-wheel drive for me. Our 4th gear, just cruising, and it's a very nice ride. Pretty quiet in here. This car, from what I know, is pretty much all stock. It has some small things like an exhaust, which is extremely quiet, some coilovers and wheels, but engine wise, I'm pretty sure it's all stock. Might have a different intercooler I was looking at earlier, but not too sure. So we're gonna go this way. Looks like there might be some construction going on or something. we've made it to our destination. Wow, look at that view. Hopefully my cameras can pick that up. Beautiful day here. All right, guys, overall, I would give the B6 A4 probably a 6 out of 10 on everything. It's a good sporty car mixed with a good daily and commuter car. So yeah, and if you're liking this video, please subscribe and help us make some more videos.